Hello and welcome to English Hub Online, your digital English classroom wherever you are in the world. Today we are going to compare the present simple and present continuous tenses. Let's get started. There are 4 sentences on this slide. Pause the video, choose the correct verbs printed in italics, and then check your answers with me. Ready? Let's start. She usually wakes up at 7 a.m. Can you turn down the music? I'm studying. I'm reading an interesting book these days. He has 2 sisters. The verbs wakes up and has are in the simple present tense. The verbs am studying and am reading are in the present continuous tense. We use the present simple tense in 3 situations. Number 1, to talk about habits and routines. For example, she usually wakes up at 7 in the morning. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Number 2, to talk about general truth and natural facts. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun rises in the east. Number 3, to talk about permanent situations. For example, he has 2 sisters. My parents live in a small village. Do you think these example sentences are about the past, the present, or the future? Actually, they are not about a specific time. In other words, the simple present is used to describe facts or actions that are generally true or happen regularly. We often use the present simple tense with adverbs of frequency. They are placed either before the main verb or after am, is, or are. For example, I hardly ever go to the movies. We don't often play football. They are never at home on the weekend. As you can see, the adverb never makes the sentence negative, so it is used with a positive verb. The present simple tense is also commonly used with expressions of frequency. These expressions are usually placed at the end of the sentence. For example, we usually play badminton every other day. We use the present continuous tense in 2 situations. Number 1, actions happening right now at the moment of speaking. For example, can you turn down the music? I'm studying. The baby is crying. Can you check on her? As you can see from the timeline, the underlined verbs in the examples indicate actions that are currently happening. Number 2, we also use the present continuous tense to talk about actions that are happening around now, but not necessarily at this exact moment on a temporary basis. For example, I'm reading an interesting book these days. We are studying Italian this semester. As you can see from the timeline, the underlined verbs in the examples indicate actions that are happening around now. There are some verbs in English called state or non-action verbs that are not usually used in continuous tenses. For example, in this sentence, although the speaker needs to eat something right now, the verb is in the simple present tense, because the verb need is a state verb and is not used in continuous tenses. Want to practice what we covered today? Head over to my website www.englishoponline.com for some related exercises and plenty of other helpful materials to explore. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you found it useful, please give it a like, share it with someone who's learning English, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical lessons. See you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay connected wherever you are.